Garbage disposal in Taiwan takes on a DIY approach. And today, we're going to learn about Taiwan's waste management culture. This is a garbage truck. It is yellow and collects general combustible waste, food waste, and other compostable materials. Behind the garbage truck are the garbage collectors, aka the goalies of the truck, who monitor the disposal process. Any unqualifying garbage will be turned away. Hard on the heels of the yellow truck is the recycling truck. It is white and collects plastic, paper, and other recyclables. Following scheduled hours, these trucks roam the city streets. And in order to make people aware of their arrival, the garbage trucks in Taiwan sing, blasting classical bangers such as The Maiden's Prayer and Fur Elise. Depending on your luck, you might even encounter the rock and roll remix truck, the spiritual remix truck, the Buddhist remix truck, or the superior super rare mayoral announcement truck. SSR garbage pickup days bring a sense of freshness to an otherwise mundane task and is often looked upon with delight. That being said, taking out your own garbage is no easy task, and if you miss the garbage truck, you must wait until the next scheduled pickup. Therefore, before the truck arrives, some preparations must be made. First, throw on a casual outfit, an outfit that you wouldn't mind getting splashed with garbage juice. Second, wear sneakers for the possibility of a sprint. You might see Taiwanese people running in blue and white flip-flops and additional homeware. But it requires decades of training to reach that level of agility, and thus should not be attempted lightly. Third, bag up your kitchen waste, general trash, and recyclables and dispose of them in an orderly fashion. Alrighty, let's have Beeru show us how it's done. And that is Taiwan's waste management culture. Did you learn something new about Taiwan today?